Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is about Web 3.0. We will discuss different aspects of Web 3.0 in this video. Let's begin our journey. The web has undergone several evolutions in its history, starting in 1989 with Web 1.0, a collection of mostly static pages that nonetheless provided the initial foundation for the modern digital economy. Web 1.0 was followed a decade later by Web 2.0, which introduced more interactivity and dynamic elements. Web 3.0 marks the next evolution of the web. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is a term used to describe the third generation of the technology that enables the World Wide Web. Web 3.0 is not a single standard or even a set of standards. Rather, it encompasses a prevailing set of trends and technological approaches. For example, one of the initial components of Web 3.0, the semantic web, was first proposed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web. Web 3.0 is also commonly associated with the concept of a decentralized web, where there is no central authority managing interactions. A cornerstone of the decentralized approach is the use of both distributed ledger technology and blockchain technology. Web 3.0 also relies on related blockchain-based technologies, especially cryptocurrency, decentralized applications, and non-fungible tokens. Another aspect of Web 3.0 is broader use and integration of artificial intelligence in web operations. Characteristics of Web 3.0. Control. With less lock-in risk than a centralized model, users have more control over their online identity and data. Transparency. Users have more transparency into how transactions occur and how decisions are made. Personalization. The Web 3.0 model can potentially enable more customization and personalization for online interactions. Predictive intelligence. Embedding AI and ML could make Web 3.0 smarter and more responsive to users than its predecessors. Privacy. The decentralized nature of Web 3.0 also provides potential privacy benefits to users that were not possible in prior generations of the web. Decentralized finance. The ability to conduct transactions, including buying and selling products and services, as well as securing loans without the need for approval by a central authority, will be an important benefit for many users of Web 3.0. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more tech discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.